Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MPA, that means a Master of Arts in Public Administration. Before starting this, I want to share something. Please save as number or future purposes. If you have other related queries related to the study programs or any other details, you can directly contact with us. And if you are admitted in this course and after some time you need to submit your assignments, so you can contact as well for this. Right now we are discussing the Master of Arts Public Administration. This is a degree which is an open distance learning. This means that you can uh, study from your nearest branch and or you can study as well at your home. Right now, that you can see, this is a School of Social Sciences and duration is 2 years, and medium is English and Hindi, specialization public administration, and description is also given which you can read out right now. And eligibility is bachelor's degree or higher program recognized university, and fee structure is 14,600, 7,300 per year. You need to pay it, and the registration fee is 300, and the examination fees is extra fees. And program coordinator, for this you can contact us directly if you have other queries related to any course or this course. And here are some given regional and study center details where you can find your course. So first check these details that in your cities this subject is available or not. Otherwise you need to give exams at these centers. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other queries, contact us today. Thank you.